57 times 29 plus 57 times 11 is equal to 57 times 50 minus triangle. Okay, so what we have here is a question that we can solve in a couple of different ways. The worst way to do it would be to actually calculate the values. But instead, what we can do is realize the actual essence of the numbers that we have. This can be solved algebraically by factorizing out the number 57. If we factorize 57 out of the left-hand side, what we'll have is 57 outside of 29 plus 11. And on the right-hand side, there's already a 57 on the outside. And inside the brackets, there is a 50 minus triangle. So, what we have left is that we can divide both sides by 57 and just cancel them out. And you will have 29 plus 11, which is 40, equal to 50 minus triangle. Hence, the triangle is equal to 10, and our answer is B.